Shandong Minghong Wood Machinery Company Limited is one famous manufacturer of plywood machine in China, located in Linyi City. Our products have required EU, CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CCEP, and Energy Conservation Certification. Our company integrates design, research and development, production and sales, and works closely with China's advanced scientific research institutions. We have a strong research and development team. At present, our machinery has won a number of national patents. Pay more attention to machine details. Details determine success or failure, so we continuously improve and optimize machine's performance. Strictly control each production step using advanced lathe processing machine and through many times inspections. Make sure our machine accurate and durable. Scientific and technological innovation oriented, quality-based, service supremacy. We offer full, complete range of plywood production solution and technology support for our customers. Yet our machines have been exported more than 30 countries and regions like Russia, Poland, Ukraine, Portugal, Bulgaria, Romania, Turkey, Egypt, Morocco, Indonesia, etc. And get good feedback. Our main products include wood log debarker, veneer peeling machine, vacuum veneer stacker, veneer dryer machine, plywood cold press machine, plywood hot press machine, glue spreader, glue mixing machine, automatic plywood veneer paving line, plywood cutting machine, lift table, sanding machine. Veneer peeling machine functions processing wood into veneer. Its standard size is 4 feet and 8 feet. Also, we can customize. The related machine is wood debarker, veneer stacker. For keeping veneer quality good, we focus on each production step. Heavy-duty make machines very stable. The precise speed screw makes sure veneer thickness accurate. The roller is chrome. Long lifespan. Big power can offer powerful energy to driving machine process hardware. Hydraulic plywood hot press machine is one important machine for making plywood. It can be different pressure and layers with reasonably designed hydraulic system, anti-rust and alloy casting cylinder, smooth and hard hot plating, machine heavy duty. Make sure pressing plywood balance and high efficiency. With high efficiency sales team offer 24-hour online service. The professional technical team and after sales service team offer plant layout, machine drawing, and after sales service. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine. 2 years warranty. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And hope that build a good and long-time cooperation.
With high-efficiency sales team offer 24 hours online service. The professional technical team and after-sales service team offer plant layout, machine drawings, and after-sales service. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine. 2 years warranty. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And hope the build a good and long-time cooperation. With high-efficiency sales team offer 24 hours online service. The professional technical team and after-sales service team offer plant layout, machine drawings, and after-sales service. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine. 2 years warranty. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And hope the build a good and long-time cooperation.